back to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at some LED camping lanterns from Vont. These are called camping lanterns, but even so, they're so useful in everyday home life. We've had several electrical outages due to weather and trees down everything, but we've always reached for these handy dandy little camping lanterns. They're easy to pull on. All you have to do is pull them up, adjust to whatever brightness you wish, or just easily store them away. They're much better than flashlights and a lot safer and easier to use than candles. You get all around 360-degree light without having to forfeit anything. Alright, so these are sold in packs of 2, like that, or a big box of 4. Maybe you're actually into camping, or like us, you have a lot of outages. So you get 4 nicely nestled in this box right here. Great value as well. Each of them use 3 AA batteries, and they actually come with the necessary batteries, which makes it very easy and simple to use. Alright, so this one right here already has batteries in it, but this one doesn't. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put them in. Just got to turn the bottom around. And that's the battery compartment. And then I'm going to use the batteries provided. So let me open them real fast. Alright, very simple. Shows you where they go, so you're not going to have to be confused about anything. And then screw the back on. And it's all good. They are lightweight with the batteries installed. It only weighs 10 ounces, not even a pound. Each of these lights has 30 individual LED lights. So there are no buttons. All you have to do is just pull up. You can open for a little bit of illumination, just in case you need a reading light, or you can open all the way for all you need. You can also choose the amount of light you want by stopping in a mid position, just like I just did. So however you please, you can manipulate the light to whatever you want. These are very compact in size, measuring 4.8 inches when closed and 7.1 when open, and the handles down. Now you can use the handles to hang the light or simply carry the light. These are water resistant to IP44. Alright, so here's a closer look at the lantern. As you can see, it's a nice cylindrical device. You're not going to have to worry about weird storage. The handles are great. There are 2 of them, and all you have to do is pull up for the light. Now the light gives you 360 degrees of light, so you're not going to have to worry about, oh, I have to face it this direction or put this up somewhere, so that you can have light. We have also used these handy dandy camping lanterns to see outside our home at night. We locate the dog for whatever reason, and we venture outside for maybe checking plants, checking if they're frogs, and fun stuff like that. Now in my family, not only do we like to keep one in each room for an electrical outage, but we like to keep them in our cars as well, just in case we break down in the middle of the night. We can easily access a spare tire with this great handy dandy light. Alright, so that's a look at the Vont camping lantern. Please make sure you check the description section below for more information on the product. Please make sure you also hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.